Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the right gear and phone. Plug a certified fast charger and original cable into the phone while it's above 5%. You want a stable baseline. Once done, enable developer options by tapping MIUI version 7 times in About Phone. This unlocks fast charging toggles. Make sure the device is cool. Remove any case if it's warm, because thermal limits can block faster currents. Now you're ready to access the settings that actually control charging behavior. Next, go directly to Settings, Additional Settings, then Developer Options. You should see USB or fast charging toggles. Flip on USB fast charging or the fast charging switch and confirm any permission prompts. You can also disable battery optimization for apps that manage charging stats so the system won't restrict current. This helps calibration. If your Redmi supports charging profiles, choose the highest safe profile available. Keep the charger plugged in and watch for the fast charge indicator. Finally, verify that fast charging is active by looking for the fast charge icon on the lock screen or in quick settings. You should see noticeably faster percentage jumps. If it's not working, reboot the phone and try another original cable or charger to rule out hardware faults. Make sure MIUI is up to date. Once updated, retest. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to check for interfering apps. If it charges fast there, an app is the culprit. That single troubleshooting step often resolves mysterious slow charge issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.